everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the memory extension to add more RAM to your phone. So we can just swipe down from the top right, go to settings, and just go to search and type in either RAM, and there might be an option to increase your RAM under here. But I know on the Xiaomi phone it is memory extension. So we can just type in memory, go to memory extension. And you can see I can go from 1, 2, or 4 gigabytes. It says create additional RAM by occupying storage. Use this feature only when there is enough storage space available on your device. So it seems like I'm using storage as RAM on here. And then this will speed up my phone. And I can look at the storage now. And I can see my detailed specs. I have 4 gigabytes plus 4 gigabytes of RAM on here. So my phone should be faster now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.